There are nights when distance from God does not feel dramatic, it just feels quiet. You keep showing up for everyone else, but inside, something feels far away. Sometimes the people who look responsible are carrying questions no one hears. You can be surrounded by people and still feel unseen by God. Spiritual exhaustion often hides inside ordinary routines. There is a tiredness sleep cannot reach. Being far from God can feel like standing outside a door you used to know how to open. And many people are asking the same quiet question, God, do you still see me? Regret has a way of replaying scenes. Some pain becomes private because we are afraid of what people would think. Guilt says, I hurt someone. Shame says, I destroy everything. Failure becomes dangerous when it stops being an event and starts becoming identity. Shame does not always shout. Sometimes it looks like not recognizing yourself anymore. The longer shame stays hidden, the more it convinces you isolation is safer. But guilt can lead to repair. Shame tries to block the road home. The truth is, you are not the only one carrying something you wish you could undo. Letting go sounds peaceful until you realize how familiar the weight has become. Sometimes we hold on because pain became the story that helped us survive. Control can look responsible while quietly being built out of fear. Healing often begins before certainty arrives. Surrender is not giving up on your life. Surrender is giving up the belief that you must save yourself alone. Sometimes the first surrender is simply letting the silence tell the truth. You do not have to understand the whole future to take the next honest step. The lie says you must clean yourself up before you come home. So people wait until the habit is gone, the anger is gone, the doubt is gone. But waiting to be perfect can become another way of never returning. God does not ask for the polished version of you. The invitation is not fix everything, then return. The invitation is return and let grace begin where you are. What if God is not waiting to reject you? What if He has been calling you home the whole time? Grace does not deny failure. It refuses to let failure name you. Restoration may begin with one honest conversation. God has not stopped pursuing you because you lost your way. Peace may begin as enough light for one step. Sometimes God's pursuit looks like one person making room for your return. Scripture is not a test to pass, it is a place to listen. Healing grows stronger around people who tell the truth without pretending. A new beginning does not erase every scar. It reminds you that scars are not your whole story. Prayer can begin with 4 honest words. God, I am here. You do not need perfect words to begin again. Community may begin with one brave message. The return is not one dramatic moment. It is a daily turning. 7 days will not solve every wound, but 7 honest days can reopen a door you thought was closed. Coming home to God starts with one step. Maybe your first step is turning down the noise. Maybe it's telling God the truth without editing it first. Maybe it is walking back into community before you feel ready. Maybe it is beginning the morning with surrender instead of fear. God can meet you in the car, the kitchen, the office, and in silence. You do not have to make your life look holy before you reach for Him. Even ordinary places can become altars when honesty returns. The first step is not perfection, it is presence. God is not intimidated by the mess you are afraid to show Him. Some forgiveness takes time, but grace can begin before everything feels resolved. Sometimes coming home to God includes asking for help. There is room for the part of you that still feels unfinished. You may feel far, but distance is not stronger than mercy. God can rebuild peace in places where anxiety used to live. The return is often quieter than we imagined. It may look like making space for God before the day asks for everything. Not every step is loud. Some steps are simply choosing attention. God does not only meet people in sanctuaries. He meets people in break rooms on night shifts and in tired bodies. He meets parents who feel like they are failing and still keep loving. He meets the strong when they finally admit they are tired. He meets the grieving without rushing them through their sorrow. Wherever you are in life, the invitation is still the same. Come home. So, here is the first practical step. For 7 days, create one quiet space to be honest with God. Day 1 can be simple. God, I am tired, but I am here. Day 2, listen before the noise of life takes over. Day 3, take a walk and tell God what you have been avoiding. Day 4, invite someone safe into the journey. Day 5, name the thing you are ready to surrender. Day 6, let grace speak louder than regret. Day 7, ask God to show you the next faithful step. The goal is not to impress God. The goal is to stop hiding from the one who already loves you. You may not feel fully healed tonight. You may still have questions. You may still have consequences to face. But grace gives you courage to face life without running. You are not too young, too old, too broken, or too late. There is still mercy for this version of you. There is still a way back. And it can begin tonight. Not with a perfect prayer, with an honest one. If this felt like it was speaking directly to where you are, do not try to change everything tonight. You do not have to have everything figured out to come back to God. You only have to stop running. Tonight, maybe the most faithful thing you can do is whisper, God, I am still here. If today's message felt like it was speaking directly to where you are, do not try to change everything tonight. Just take this one step. We have created The first step, 7 days back to God, a simple guide. The goal, to help you reconnect through honest prayer, 1 day at a time. When you are ready, it is waiting for you. And more importantly, God is still waiting with grace.